Hi there. In this video, we'll go through how to make personal sales dashboards that can be shared between the sales director or manager and the salesperson within a company. So we have inside our Dear Lucy environment, and we can see here. And the first thing I want to do is to access the Settings tab. Then I'll go to Dashboards and press Add a new dashboard. We're going to create a salesperson dashboard for Anna in this case, so we'll call it Anna's Key Performance Indicators. We won't have a background video. We're going to choose a black color theme. In this case, we don't want to use the default picture, but I'm going to add a nice little picture here of Anna's hometown, Helsinki, and press Add Dashboard. The newly created dashboard ends up in the bottom of the list of all your dashboards. And what you want to do, you can also move that around, of course, but what you want to do next is to press the dashboard to get it. And what we see now is an empty environment. So we're going to add some tiles. And in this case, we're looking for completed activities. Here we go. We have completed activities year to date. That's good. I'll make it a little bit bigger. We also want to add another tile checking her sales. Let's see which ones we have. Yeah, won deals is maybe the better example. Let's check here. Yeah, number of won deals. Perfect. And we also want to see her performance this month. So let's add one more tile called won this month. Here, perfect. Now I have 3 metrics up and running here, and I want to press Save Layout because this is all I want to measure for Anna right now at this moment. However, we want to make sure we're only seeing Anna's data, so I need to add a drop-down filter here, and I press Sales because we have a sales integration running, and Sales by Person, and press Add. Going back to the filter, I can edit that as well. So I want to select only Anna in the dimensions, make sure that it's included and not excluded, and I want to filter out all other data from this dashboard so it's only showing Anna's dashboard, and press Save. All right, we're all done, and we can now go back to the dashboard to see what it looks like. Perfect. Here's Anna's dashboard. We can see her performance this month and also overall activities this year. That's how easy it is to make a personal sales dashboard in Dear Lucy. Thanks a lot, and please stay tuned. Bye-bye.